You see that big red button over here on the left hand side over here that says subscribe this way? Hit it. Thank you. What's up, Shadow Homie? Fratelix, welcome back to Clustertruck. Now, I just realized there's holidays or custom maps. I'm gonna go with Christmas. Yeah, Christmas. Well, Christmas was a little bit ago. Well, 3 or 4 months ago. Oh well. But I just got done. Oh, okay. Why does the truck fuck up as soon as I land on it? There's fucking music though. I just got done going to. Oh my god. This is going to court because I had no insurance and got a ticket and this and that. So I'm still gonna get a video out, even though this is loud as shit in my ear holes. So yeah, but it's nothing to worry about. We got a nice judge here in my little town, so he pretty much let it go. Should I just ride this all the way out? Oh, fuck you. Fucking hell. I like saying fucking cause fuck you, sucking fucking dick. Motherfucker. Oh! Trying to get a video out. Oh! Did he get hit? Really? The fucking jump! Okay, but no, I'm trying to do 2 videos a day, but that's gonna probably start maybe tomorrow. I'm gonna test it out to see how it goes. If I can keep this going, I would be fine. But oh, okay, I went in on your hood. Is that safe? No, that's not safe. Okay. Just bump down my mic. Hopefully it's not too damn loud, because I realized that I'm in a closed area. Oh fuck! You gonna see me fail a lot, but I'm in an enclosed area. Okay. So the mic doesn't have to be too loud. Could you? I got you, bud. Let's take this all the way to victory. See that? You see that over there? Go after it. Keep going, bud. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. You got this? You got this? Okay. I'm just gonna ride this out. Let's see. Stop hitting my fucking truck. You all going in the wrong way. Okay. Well, I'm glad I chose you. Oh, this one's pretty fast. Oh, fuck you. Oh, feels good. It really does. I don't care about the points. I need the abilities though. Oh my god. How the hell did I do that? I don't know, but oh hell. Oh fuck. Okay. There we go. I got it back. I did it again. Now, do have to outrun Ice Age, the Meltdown. They have no loving in their life. So they make the most fucking painful game that they could have thought of. Okay, keep it going. Just keep it alive. Just stay underneath my feet, please. I'm fucking laser focused. Okay. How the hell do you get through this? There's just no way. I ain't I don't have grapple. I don't have any abilities. So I can't do that one. I can't. How do I get points? Fuck. That's not it. Oh. I was getting so much points. I let it all go. Let it go. Don't start singing, cause copyright. Fuck me and my anus. I'm just gonna keep doing this. Keep doing this. Keep doing it. Okay. Come on. That's all I need. How many points do I need to get ability? 40,000. Oh, great. L dash. Double jump. I won't unlock double jump. Hopefully that comes into play. Actually, I'm gonna go back to this one, because I make a lot of money off of it. You know what? Which one was I at? I was at this one. Okay. I'm gonna play the new levels now. I got some money. I got one ability. Oh. Fuck you and me both. We're all a happy night family with a big great smile and a night hug from me to you. Oh. Straight line, guys. Straight fucking line. Okay. That is not ideal. Well, I just wanted to see your tire up close. What was that? 12s? Okay. What the hell happened now? Could I? Hell yeah. So, double jump was a good thing to get. Okay. Next level, please. So, I got a feeling that I need to play. Oh my god. I need to play this in my spell time to get some points up. Yay! Uh-oh. This is bad. How do I get... I gotta get on the hood. Go underneath you. Cussing, demonetized. No cussing, no. Whoa, mama, but you pushing it. Great. I love the grass. Nope. That would have been amazing. Could you fuckheads not? Oh. The hell? Stay the fuck away. Oh, I'm doing it. Oh, I'm not doing it. Because nobody could get through. Huh. Man, oh man. How was... Oh my god. What just happened? I got this. You're the number one. You'll always be number one. Come on. You got this. Come on. Okay, I'll finish it for you. It's not the money. It's the people. Okay. Nope. A big old knuckle run. So I gotta get up to the front. Huh. Thanks for that information. I forgot I got double jump. Come on. You got this. I'm on. How? Do I need another ability? I was on the first one, and he got crushed. Jump. Jump for fuck's sake. Oh, I'm not gonna make it. This game is gonna drive me bananas. I'm going with Halloween. It's the mix of all. What the hell is that? I want to take it nice and easy. Don't you? God? Are you raining from above? Could you? No. 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 Get off me. You stupid truck. Oh. Okay. Damn. This game is gonna make me pull out my pubic hairs. Yes, that was the final sentence. Could I swing from nothing? 'Cause I got no grapple hook. Oh, but this double jump is saving my ass. Don't. Just don't. Okay, thank you. You motherfucker. What did I tell you? What did I tell you? Larry? Yes. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, this is only the second game in the Halloween one. It's fun and dandy. I wanna die. You know what? Fuck it. It's cool like the cool kids. Over and over everywhere. English is not my best suit. Oh. You motherfucker. I was doing just fine sitting on those until you came along and like, hey, you want to get off of those? Great, because I'm going to knock you off. Well, guess what, buddy? Joke's on you. I'm going to die. Just keep it alive. Just keep it going. Okay. 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 Fine. 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 Fucking fine. I'm fine. What about you? You good? You fine? You dandy? Amazing. Oh, yeah. Give me you. Let's go. Let's take it to fucking end. Please. 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 For the love of fucking Zeus. Before I really go fucking insane playing this game. I love it, but I don't know. I'm not on that, but I'm somewhere in here, but I want to get some abilities, so I might play in my spare time. You never know. But thank you guys so much for watching and Run Free and joining Army of the Shadows. And if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.
Run free and dive into the sky. Hear the